time I'm gonna be creating an AND logic gate. For this project I'm gonna be using jumper wires like this one, an LED light like this one, a 9-volt battery, um, a transistor, this little piece as you can see it, my breadboard, and the Arduino power supply. Hey there, we are creating the AND logic gate. In order to do this, we're gonna connect the transistors to our breadboard like this. As you can see, this is the flat face in this side. So the left leg, it's gonna be our collector, the middle one is our base, and the right one is our emitter. So both have our straight face facing towards us. Now we must create our connection. First, since this connection is gonna be in series, the left transistor emitter must be connected to the right transistor's collector, right? Like this. This is to create an in series connection. Now we need our LED, which it has its long leg and its short leg. Its long leg is the positive, it's the high voltage, and indeed it's gonna be connected to the right emitter transistor like this. All right, and in order to complete our circuit, the LED must be grounded, right, like this. Okay, now I have here my Arduino, and the right cable, it's the high voltage, as I connected here to the 5 volt. In the ground, as I connected to my Arduino, it's gonna be the ground. Okay, now what's gonna happen if I connect the battery? Nothing, right? It doesn't turn on because our circuit is not complete. Oh yeah, I forgot. Before, in the circuit diagram, we have a resistor going like this, but I'm not gonna add a resistor because I don't want too much resistance in my circuit, since we're not gonna be able to see the LED turning on. So I'm gonna use a jumper wire instead, like this. Again, we're not gonna be able to see anything going on because our circuit is not complete. We need to connect our base in our transistor, so it's the base to the collector, and we're not able to see the LED turning on because we have an in series connection and our circuit is not complete. We also need this one, so we do the same thing, base to collector, and now we're gonna be able to see LED turning on. Alright, so now we're dealing with an AND logic gate, which consists of a in-series connection of transistors. Here we have the positive terminal of the battery, the negative terminal of the battery, or ground, and here is supposed to be the first resistor that I replaced by a jumper wire. So it follows this path until this path, and it's not able to reach the LED down here because the circuit is not complete. Once we connect the base to the collector, the current is gonna follow this path all the way here, but still is not gonna be able to get to the LED because the circuit is not complete yet. It's not closed. we need to connect the base to the collector, and then, only then, LED is gonna turn on. The reason for this is because we're dealing with an AND logic gate, which requires both factors to accomplish in order for us to get the result.